Since 1984, Elite has stood for quality. What began as a specialist carpet cleaning business has grown into Elite Maintenance, a commercial-grade maintenance and restoration provider trusted across Australia. Today, we deliver complete services across carpet and upholstery care, pest control and advanced restoration, including water, mould, fire, smoke and precision laser cleaning. We operate to Australian standards, follow IICRC guidelines and hold CM3 certification. Our work is carried out by fully trained, vetted technicians. With national coverage, live on-site reporting and a disciplined project lifecycle, we bring clarity, control and consistency to every job. When the unexpected happens, our 24/7 emergency mitigation team responds fast, supporting insurance claims and protecting what matters most. Elite Maintenance, proven since 1984, built for today, trusted for what comes next.